Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Sandboxie. First, you'll want to download the official Sandboxie installer. It's crucial to get it from a trusted source to ensure authenticity and security. Make sure you select the correct version that matches your computer's operating system, whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit system. Once downloaded, run the installer as an administrator to ensure all necessary permissions are granted for a smooth installation process. Now, let's move on to the installation. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, clicking Next as you go. You'll need to accept the license agreement to proceed, which is standard practice for most software. For the easiest setup, we recommend choosing the default installation directory. This typically places Sandboxie in a common program file's location, making it simple to find and manage later on. The entire process usually takes just a few moments. With Sandboxie installed, it's time to create your first isolated environment. Open the Sandboxie control panel, which should launch automatically or be accessible from your desktop. From the menu bar, click on Sandbox, then choose Create New Sandbox. You'll be prompted to give your new sandbox a name. Pick something descriptive, like web browser sandbox or untrusted apps, so you easily remember its purpose. This step is quick and sets up your secure space. Finally, let's put your new sandbox to use. To run any program securely, simply right-click on its icon or shortcut. In the context menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Run Sandboxed. Hover over this, and then select the specific sandbox you wish to use from the list. Your chosen application will then launch within that isolated environment, protecting your main system from any potential threats. It's a straightforward way to enhance your digital security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.